Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to create your own AI chatbot in just a few simple clicks using the AgentX platform. Let's get started. Navigate to your workspace first, locate the New button on the right side of the screen, and select Chatbot. Pick a name for your new AI agent. You can always select a random one. You can generate your custom avatar or upload a file. Click the Continue button to proceed to the next step. Provide your website URL and see the magic happen. In less than 60 seconds, your brand new agent will learn your company, your tone, and your content, all to match your unique brand identity. Get ready to be amazed. And just like that, done! Everything you're seeing is pulled straight from your website. Want to fine-tune it? You can always adjust the industry, tone, or short description to match your vibe. Let's continue. Now, let's set up lead generation. Your agent will automatically collect the visitor's name, email, phone number, and education, so you can start building real connections instantly. But to streamline your workflow, you can connect it directly to your favorite CRM, like Zapier, HubSpot, Wix, Salesforce, or even a custom one, using our simple connectors.
Need help connecting your CRM? We've got you covered. We provide step-by-step tutorials to help you get the exact credentials you need for nearly every major platform. You can instantly deploy your AI agent to social platforms. And done! You're officially all set. Now it's time to style your agent and embed it on your site. For this walkthrough, I'll demo it using a live Squarespace site. Just copy the code on the right and we'll plug it into your Squarespace site together. Now just follow my steps. Head to the Custom Code tab in your Squarespace dashboard. Then click Code Injection. Scroll down to the footer section. Paste your agent embed code there. This makes sure your agent shows up on every page and subpage of your site. Easy. You can change the look of your agent anytime you like. Just head back to the AgentX platform and choose your favorite screen position, colors, or style set. Style it as much as you want. All changes happen live in real time. Hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial and had as much fun as I did. See you next time!